this video, you'll see how easy to install the DRM-cli using inline mode. First, let's get inside the DRM-cli folder. To get a clearer idea of the inline options available with the DRM-cli, run the installation Python script using the help flag option. Next, execute the install command and include the D option to choose the installation type. Use the P option to specify the encryption key. Finally, add the F option to indicate the directory where the DRM-cli will be installed. That's it. Easy, right? Let's go into the new installed DRM-cli and open up its configuration file. Inside you can see, when was the DRM-cli installed, the installation type, and that is secured. Note that the security text is encrypted.